Hey, my tube buddies. So, it's midsummer. We've been locked in, locked out, shoved up, shoved down. Who knows where we've been? But maybe we've started some fun new hobbies that we didn't think we would have started before. I addressed this a little bit in my check-in video it was posted earlier. Now I'm going to show you my creations. Yes, I said creations. What have I been up to in my lockdown? In my lockdown, lock-in, whatever, I decided that I have always wanted to crochet. I love crochet tops, crochet bikinis, crochet dresses. TC loves them. And I always find, no matter what, they don't exactly fit. They're not meant for really busty ladies or bootylicious ladies. So maybe it was time I learned. It doesn't look that hard. There's lots of tutorials, and I'm sure I'm crafty enough to pick this up. So sure enough, that's what I did. I taught myself to crochet, and I have been a busy little bee. What have I made? I will show it to you, but we're going to start with a little explanation. I first started with scarves because I figured scarves are the same thing, just in a long, elongated pattern. That would be easy. So I made 3 scarves, matching scarves to me and my 2 besties. And then I decided it was time to move on to bikini tops. Now, once my group of girlfriends found out that I was making bikini tops, it became a thing. We all wanted matching tops, so I have gotten myself a plethora of yarn to create a fabulous assortment of crochet tops. Some of them are the exact same, some are going to be a little different, but ultimately they're all going to be flirty and fun. So you guys ready to see what I've been up to? Here goes. Top number 1, a fabulous bikini top. Get a little see-through action going on the sides. Base matches the top, and we have a cute little bikini top. And yep, I made this with yarn. Yes, I have been slightly made fun of by the odd girlfriend for being grandma now that I can yarn and knit. But it's not knitting, it's crocheting. It is slightly different. But then I showed her the top and she was rather amazed. So I was pretty pleased with myself. This one has kind of become my template. All the tops are going to be like this for my girls, so we all have similar tops. But I did experiment with a few others. So I'll show you the other colors in these to start with, and then you can see the other 2 more adventurous ones that I've created. Ready? Green. And yes, I picked a very bright, sunshiny, light colored green because, well, most of my girlfriends and I have dogs or cats and the hair is insidious. And for the rest of us, well, it's summertime, so I wanted bright, festive, fun colors. This one's super cute. Same style as the other, slightly different at the band. A little smaller, so it's a little bit more breathing, better for tanning. And oddly enough, I took this to try as a template on all my girlfriends for them to try on. And it is rather amazing, the various sizes and cups and shapes that just the simple bikini top will fit. Ready for the next color? Blue. I like this blue. It's very sunshiny. It's very lovely sunny day. Blue sky kind of blue. It's still pastel-y and kind of fun. This one was made for a girlfriend who's not quite as chesty, so I put them a little closer in the middle so her cups aligned a little bit better for her. I think she will really like it. Lots of fun. I'm really having fun creating fun things for my girlfriends, thinking about them while I make it, and just experimenting with fun colors, which you guys know me. The brighter, the funner, the more colors, the more I'm loving it. This one was a special request. My girlfriend wanted a halter top, so I made her a yellow halter top, her favorite color. This one, she's a little smaller in the chest than I am, so I made it not quite as long, and I made it not quite as wide. Now, if this was for me, I would have extended it down and made it wider so it came down a bit more, which I think I might do with a white for myself because I got some really awesome white yarn that's got some sparkles in it. Pretty excited to use that. But just fun and flirty. Cute little halter top. I like little kind of like more see-through area, but not. Very flirty and fun. And of course, pink. I wonder which one's mine. Probably the pink one. This one I was trying a different pattern. I don't know if it's my favorite, but it was fun. I love the bottom part, and I love just little added extras all around. Cute and flirty. Just fun. Now, I have been asked by a few of my girlfriends when I will start selling these online and getting all the colors for everybody. That is in the works. So far, I'm still learning, I'm still experimenting. But yes, I do have an Etsy store, and you guys will get notified once I do start selling them on Etsy because I'm enjoying it, I'm having fun with it. It's very relaxing for me, so why not? If other people want to enjoy my creations as well, I'm more than happy to share. Well, thanks guys. I really appreciate you watching this fun little video and seeing my little creations. I like to share with you guys not just stuff about work and what I'm doing on YouTube, but also just personal things for me. And this is just something I wanted to do all for myself. And I'm pretty excited that it was so easy to pick up from just watching some simple YouTube tutorials and following along. I'm very excited to try a few other things I have planned, like a baby blanket for my girlfriend who's currently pregnant, and a few other fun things. So we'll see, maybe bikinis are next that I'll start crocheting. Gotta try the bottoms. They seem a little complicated. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Don't forget to click the subscribe button because cool things happen when you do. And if you're extra cool, you'll check out these videos because they rock. Have a great one, guys. Bye for now.